Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about, as part of the 2014 Dynamic Engineers product catalog, ultra-low jitter, ultra-low phase noise, XOs and VCXOs. This is a niche in the market that generates the best selling prices for any of the oscillator companies. Ultra-low jitter, meaning less than 1 picosecond integrated phase jitter, less than 1 picosecond, from 12 kilohertz to 20 megahertz out, 12 kilohertz to 20 megahertz offset frequencies. So when you look at a phase noise graph, and we'll get more into this in another video segment, when you look at a phase noise graph, the area under the curve is your integrated phase jitter. The better the phase noise, the less area under the curve, the higher the integrated phase jitter. So for customers that are very sensitive to the term jitter, we can offer certain niche products. We have them in the brochure. Our XO 7500L G2 series, our XO 3001 series offers LVDS or PECL outputs, 2.5 to 3.3 volts, or 2.5 or 3.3 volt supply. Very good phase jitter. Good selling prices, better than 50-cent clock oscillators at 50 megahertz. When you talk low phase jitter, you must think automatically there's going to be better selling prices. Not as much competition as in the low-cost product either. So we definitely have experience dealing with low phase noise or low phase jitter applications. Where are these going to be used? Well, if you have a customer doing a board that does digital to analog conversion, the D to A or A to D chips need to be able to convert from digital to analog or from analog to digital with very high resolution. In order to do that, they need a reference clock that has very low jitter, so that the reproduction of a signal from digital to analog, the reproduction of that analog signal is as accurate as possible. So you will find many applications related to FPGA chips or A to D chips or D to A chips that need very low jitter clock references. If jitter is not an issue with a customer, they will tell you pretty much within the first few minutes if it's a commodity type part or a very high performance low jitter part. And again, even for low phase jitter, it's a relative term. What if they are in need of quick delivery, like I said in a previous segment? If they're in need of quick delivery and it's an oddball frequency and they're calling it low phase jitter, maybe initially we can give them a software-defined module in either XO or VCXO to get their board design up and running so they can at least use a clock at the right frequency for the circuits they've designed to date. So that's another nice opportunity, low phase jitter. Obviously, there's going to be a few more competitors in this than, say, an OCXO opportunity. But, again, we've been very successful, 500 pieces, 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces a year. Multiple customers, or what we do get is you'll get one customer, and they'll have a series of different frequencies that you qualify with. A 156.25, a 125 megahertz, a 161.375. Different frequencies within the same general range, they will use them for different data communication applications, for example. And that's all I wanted to say on ultra-low jitter, XOs and VCXOs. Thank you very much.